Welcome to Module 4 of Green Mile Driver Training, which will discuss lunches and special cases. When you get to the point in your day that you want to take your lunch, when you've just finished a stop before your lunch, you're going to hit more and go off duty. After you go off duty, you're going to go ahead and go to your lunch, and once you finish your lunch and you're about to drive to your next stop, you're going to go back on duty. You're going to go back on duty. So now for some special cases. If during your day you, for some reason, do not want to go to the next stop on your list next, you have the option on the bottom middle of the screen to hit reorder and tell the system what stop you want to go to next. And it'll put that on top, and it'll re-optimize the whole route accordingly. Now, the system chooses the order of the stops based on the shortest distance, so we recommend against changing stops unless there is a need to. Now, another case that comes up is bulk arrivals. If you have two accounts that are the same physical account, for example, these two C-Towns, the C-Town Nestle and regular C-Town, if you hit the box button next to the stop for both of them, the bottom right button goes from arrive to bulk arrival. Click on that, it arrives to both stops at the same time. Hit arrive all. And then once you're done with both, you'll hit depart from all. You can also, the same way you can mass arrive at stops, if you hit multiple stop boxes and go to more on the bottom left, you can hit cancel selected stops. I'm going to make sure that you want to do that. And then it'll give the same reason code to all of those stops. We will now go into detail about a few additional features that are in the Green Mile app that might be useful throughout your day. So once you arrive to a stop, if you go down to the bottom left and hit more, you have the option to add a photo to your stop. So you can go ahead and take a picture. If there's items in the wrong place, a freezer down, you can identify a lot of things to us through this. So once you take the picture, you're going to hit OK on the top right, and you can give it a description. Let's say freezer, send. And then one additional feature. Once we're back on the stop list, on the bottom right, it says add stop. What that will allow you to do is it will let you add stops that are in your current proximity, or you can search for a specific stop and add it that way. And then once you add it to your route, it will optimize it where it fits best. Finally, to complete your day, either you're going to complete all of your stops, or once you've completed your day and are not going to go to your remaining stops, you go to the bottom left, hit more, hit cancel all stops, which will cancel all the remaining stops. It'll make sure that you want to do that. And then once again, you will give it a reason code that will apply to all stops. Yes. And say not visited. And it will apply that reason code to all remaining stops. Once your day is ended, that bottom bar will send the data to the Green Mile server, and it will give you this route summary screen that will tell you the basic details of your route. Then the last thing you have to do is hit complete route on the bottom right, and it will complete your route for the day. Thank you for watching Green Mile driver training.